about to leave. Already.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. This is going to be a really good one. I had planned on doing a whole house clean, but my kitchen was destroyed and it took me 2 hours to clean it, and after that I was done. So I got a good motivational kitchen clean for you guys today. It's a really good one because my kitchen is a mess. My kitchen tends to get like this every time I work, and my husband is responsible for feeding and taking care of the kids on my work days, so he kind of just lets it go. I don't know. I'm just grateful the kids eat, so I usually take care of the mess when I get back home. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kerima and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it today. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're into cleaning motivational videos. I love making them, and I'll have plenty for you in the future, and I have plenty on my channels for you to binge watch if necessary. Thanks for watching.
Now looking back, eyes on the free.
Hey ladies, I just want to apologize for flashing you in this next clip. Apparently I don't keep it very modest at home. I like to be very comfortable. I usually wear this shirt with a sports bra because it's something that I usually work out in, but of course I was just cleaning today and decided to throw it on with the regular bra, and yeah, it's a little bit big, so the girls are kind of hanging out, but I do fix that at some point in the video. I kind of tuck the sleeves in my bra so it won't hang so low. I'm sorry. So why my husband would even put the pan in the dishwasher with a whole piece of watermelon on it in the first place is beyond me, but of course, you know, what can you expect?
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
So I had an insane amount of dishes. I was trying to show you guys how many dirty dishes we actually had. I didn't even show you what was on top of the stove and what was on top of the counter behind me, but it was as if every dish we own was dirty.
Get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heart. can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you.
Am I the only one who forgets to clean the microwave before they clean their stoves? I do that all the time. I've never really had a microwave above my stove before. My microwave has always been on the countertop somewhere in my kitchen, but I'm always forgetting to clean the microwave first. And then I clean my stove, then go to clean the microwave, and all the crumbs from the microwave fall back on my stove. So that's why I stopped to clean the microwave.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new.
So you guys are gonna see me focusing on that top left-hand corner for quite a bit of time. I actually even go back to clean the stove a second time in that corner because there was something stuck on my stove that I could not get off. I even tried to scrape it with a knife. And I'm like thinking to myself, what kind of food is stuck on this stove that I cannot get off? Come to find out, guys, my husband burnt one of our hand towels on the stove. So that's not food, that's material, and that's why I can't get it off while I'm cleaning. So I did have him come and scrape that off because it was driving me nuts.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you.
So clearly we have a problem with our organization of our mail, or disorganization for that matter. I don't know what it is. No matter how many times I put a little system in place, this is what it ends up being. My daughter usually gets the mail and she picks it up and throws it on the table. It is my husband and I's job to like go through it and throw away the trash and kind of keep what's important, but apparently that never happens. Our table always ends up looking like this. Help me, guys. If you have a better system or a system period, please let me know. Share it with me because I need help.
Then I just wanna be with you. Oh, oh. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be
to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Again, if you're new to my channel, please click on my picture to subscribe and click on one of my other videos to check them out. If you enjoy the channel, please like and comment down below. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for getting me to 100 subscribers and growing and counting. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Baby, put the record on, hit it.